back to Jamison Run. On this episode, we're going to be going over a few of our end supports. These are going to be set in place. We're going to be welding these on today. You can see it, the little floppy here. We're going to be welding these on this side, that side. We're going to be putting together a couple of scrap pieces to make one whole long piece. But these are all edge pieces to hold our deck boards, is what they are. Also, if we just put deck boards on the side, you know, they'd get beat up and those kinds of things pretty quick. At least I think. I haven't done this yet, but I imagine they get beat up pretty quick. So we want to put something that we can kind of bump some logs against whenever we roll them up over, or with the tractor tire when we set them down onto the trailer and onto the sawmill. So we're going to be working on welding those today. So yeah, today's Saturday. Let's see, December 14th. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. The weather's outside is not terrible. So we have the garage doors open, which is perfect for welding. Get that clean air coming through. So that's what we're working on today on the trailer build. We do have to weld a brace on the other side that's broken loose. One of these pieces that sticks out, this weld broke loose. Like I said earlier, or tried to say actually, some of my footage didn't work out right. I lost some of the sound, but the worst factory welds I've ever seen on a trailer in my life are on this trailer. Just rough, just very porous. Penetration's bad, just wow. And I'm not even a real welder. Like I'm not a professional welder by any means. I'm a farm welder. I'm a home welder. I'm a do-it-myself welder. But they were rough. But that's what we're working on today. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. I know we do a lot of welding, but it's kind of cool to see projects come along the way that they are. So hope you enjoy. Folks, got this at Harbor Freight. It's supposed to be a P100, a Gearson, and these things just keep popping off. They don't click on right. They don't. Alrighty, folks. So we've definitely put some time in this today. It's evening at this point, but all good projects aren't quick. So anyway, we've got a piece, and it's actually a piece that I made because I had a couple short pieces. I needed a long piece, so I welded them together, and here we are. But this is the back of the trailer. And what this is going to do is this is going to sit up in here like this. That way we have a spot to fit our deck boards under. So they'll stick under there, and yeah, that way they won't curl up. So we got to get that welded in on the front and the back here. And then after that, I think we have a little bit of bracing I want to put in here, like I said earlier in the video. But other than that, yeah, we're gonna be, I think, on to getting ready for paint. So it's probably one of my least favorite processes. I don't like painting. It's like a ton of people don't like drywall. I don't like painting. It's just not fun to me. But we got to do it on some things, so we'll get to that point. But right now, we're gonna get these tacked in place. We'll get the one up front done, and yeah, then we'll probably call it a night after that. We've just had enough time into it today, and we'll come back to it at another time. Alrighty folks, so we got everything welded on here and we should be good for right now, but we do have to come back and put some bracing into here, in this section here. But we do have our end pieces welded in. On the front side here, I ended up welding the full seam because I want the rigidity, I want it to be stiff. I want to help the twist of the trailer going like this. So yeah, so here we go, we got the whole trailer kind of in all. We have the same thing on the back side back here. That's welded in there. And yeah, we're gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna do some bracing along these sides out here, and then we're gonna start painting and getting ready to paint. We're gonna be prepping for paint. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any pointers, comments, questions, whatever, send them my way. I'd like to know. Yeah, I think we're gonna get some OSFO and we're gonna hose down the frame with that, kind of stop all the rust, and then we're gonna clean that up and we're gonna put a good coat of good primer on there, and then we'll paint her up. So thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate your time. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I know you hear it 1,000 times on every channel ever, but it really helps whenever somebody subscribes and likes the channel. So please do that. Appreciate it. Thanks.